Hello, what's up, guys? If you're finding the best new stylish Seiko watches for men based on specifications, you're in the right place. All the watches buying links were given in the video description. Please subscribe my channel for more new upcoming videos. Number 9. Seiko Prospex the 1959 Alpinist SJ085J1. Case diameter 36.6 millimeters. Case thickness 11.1 millimeters. Case material stainless steel. Dial color black. Lumi yes. Water resistance 100 meters. Strap bracelet bund strap. Caliber 6L35. Functions hours, minutes, seconds. Power reserve 45 hours. Winding automatic. Frequency 28,800 VPH. Jewels 26. This is a great watch. Number 8. Seiko Presage SPB045J1 watch. Case diameter 40.5 millimeters. Case thickness 10 millimeters. Band material crocodile leather. Band width 20 millimeters. Band color white. Dial color white. Movement Japanese quartz. Movement type automatic with manual winding. Precision plus 25 to negative 15 seconds per day. Power reserve approximately 45 hours. Jewels 29. Functions date hand. Power reserve indicator. Stop seconds hand function. Date display. Lug to lug 47.8 millimeters. Crystal dual curved sapphire crystal. Crystal coating. Anti-reflective coating on inner surface. Band material crocodile leather. Clasp threefold clasp with push button release. Distance between lugs 20. Number 7. Seiko Prospex Alpinist watch SPB121J1. Case diameter 39.5 millimeters. Case thickness 13.2 millimeters. Band width 20 millimeters. Dial color green. Item weight 2 grams. Caliber 6R35. Movement 24 jewels. Made in Japan. Rotating compass inner ring. Power reserve approximately 70 hours. Second-hand halt mechanism, hacking. Cyclops lens. Sapphire crystal with anti-reflection coating. Screw-down crown. Item shape round. Dial window material type sapphire crystal. Display type analog. Clasp push button fold over clasp with safety. Case material stainless steel. Case diameter 39.5 millimeters. Number 6. Seiko Astron SSH109J1. Display type analog. Swiss made no. Water resistance 20 bar. Dive. Dial color blue. Hand colors white. Case information diameter 42.7 millimeters. Case thickness 14 millimeters. Case material titanium. Case color bicolor. Back case material titanium. Back case screwed case back. Material crystal sapphire. Crown pull crown. Display type analog. Mechanism solar quartz. Battery rechargeable. Battery. Battery life 6 months. Strap material titanium. Suitable for wrist size 165 millimeters to 220 millimeters. Clasp type deployment clasp with push buttons. Strap width 21 millimeters. Lug width 21 millimeters. Strap color silver. Straight strap mount yes. Number 5. Seiko Prospex watch SPB153J1. Caliber number 6R35. Movement type automatic with manual winding capacity. Accuracy plus 25 to minus 15 seconds per day. Case material stainless steel, super hard coating. Crystal curved sapphire. Crystal coating. Anti-reflective coating on inner surface. Lumabrite on hands, indexes, and bezel. Band material silicone. Water resistance 200 meters. 660 feet. Divers. Case size, thickness 13.2 millimeters. Diameter 42.7 millimeters. Length 46.6 millimeters. Other specifications. Screw case back. Screw down crown. 3-fold clasp with secure lock. Unidirectional rotating bezel. 24 jewels. Date display. stop secondhand function. Number 4, Seiko Presage SPB221J1 watch. Model, Presage automatic black dial stainless steel men's watch. Dial color, black. Movement, automatic. Case material, steel. Bracelet material, steel. Gender, men's watch, unisex. Price, USD 1,039. Case size, 42.2mm diameter. 13.7mm thickness. Case material, stainless steel. Super hard coating. Dial description, GMT. Dial type, analog. Glass sapphire crystal. Band description, stainless steel. Band type, bracelet. Buckle, folding clasp. Water resistance, 100 meters. Style, automatic, GMT. Number 3, Seiko Prospex Diver SPB143J1. Movement, caliber number 6R35. Movement type, automatic with manual winding. Precision plus 25 seconds to minus 15 seconds per day. Power reserve, approximately 70 hours. Joules, 24. Functions, stop secondhand function. Date display, case band material, stainless steel. Super hard coating. Case size, thickness, 13.2 millimeters. Diameter, 40.5 millimeters. Lug to lug, 47.6 millimeters. Crystal coating. Anti-reflective coating on inner surface. Lumibright on hands, indexes, and bezel. Clasp, three-fold clasp with secure lock. Push button release with extender. Distance between lugs, 20. Water resistance, 200 meters, 660 feet. Divers. Weight, 180 grams. Feature, unidirectional rotating bezel. Screw down crown. Three-fold clasp with secure lock. Screw case back. Number 2, Grand Seiko Spring Drive 20th and Nissan GTR 50th anniversary. SBGC229. Dial window material type, anti-reflective sapphire. Display type, analog. Clasp, buckle. Case material, high-intensity titanium. Case diameter, 46.4 millimeters. Case thickness, 16.6 millimeters. Band material, leather. Band color, white. Dial color, white. Bezel material, black ceramic. Calendar date. Special features, limited edition of 200 pieces. Movement, mechanical spring drive movement. Water resistance depth, 100 meters. Number 1, Seiko SSA343J1. Presage Ice Blue Watch. Dial window material type, scratch resistant hardlex. Display type, analog. Clasp, tang buckle. Case material, 40.5 millimeters. Case diameter, 40.5 millimeters. Case thickness, 14.37 millimeters. Band material, cow steer. Band width, 20 millimeters. Band color, black. Dial color, silver. Calendar, date. Item weight, 5.2 ounces. Movement, automatic. Water resistance depth, 50 meters.